In today's video, we are going to show you how to send payment links through Square so you can get paid quickly without needing to send invoices or set up a website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the Square dashboard, hover to the left side panel and click the Payments and Invoices. Here, scroll down until you find the payment links. There's going to be a drop-down menu, and I want you to click the payment links. This will forward you to a new page wherein you need to choose a purpose. Okay? So you can choose from taking a payment, sell an item, sell an event or class, and accept a donation. In this case, we are going to choose take a payment. Okay, so from here, click the continue button. Now here, all I have to do is super simple. Put in the title or the details of that specific payment link. Put in the frequency. Is it going to be like a one-time payment, weekly, or every other week, monthly, quarterly? It's up to you. Description. Okay, let's say this is going to be the full description, which is optional. You can also upload an image so that it could reflect your brand and identity. Now, once you've loaded, you can also have a custom fields, a tipping and confirmation. Now, as you can see, it is on mobile device view. If you want to check the intuitiveness and responsiveness for a desktop, just click these icons interchangeably. The details, checkout, and confirmation. Once you are happy with all these, all I have to do is super simple, click the save button. You have now the preview link. And once you've done that, congratulations, you have now created a payment link that you can send through Square. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.